Depending on your familiarity with various food cultures and heritage, you may be surprised to see jellyfish in a recipe. Yes, I am talking about the translucent, free-swimming marine creatures with umbrella-shaped bells. And yes, I'm serious about how tasty and refreshing this jellyfish salad recipe is, which you may very well fall in love with, just like I do. Several accommodating ingredients: Napa cabbage leaves, a medium carrot, one bulb of scallion, and a few cloves of garlic. Like making any salad, make sure to use fresh vegetables. Cut the carrot into thin shreds, as thin as you can manage. Then let's cut the cabbage. First, slice the thick and fat end into layers, then cut into thin shreds. Remove the root and cut the scallion into rings. And then mince the garlic. Now introducing the main actor of the show, the instant jellyfish. It comes with seasoning as well. In a pot with boiling water, blanch the cabbage and carrot shreds on high heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Bring to a boil, then simmer 1 minute until the vegetables turn soft. Do not overboil. Turn off the heat, drain the veggies, and let them cool down. Squeeze out the water. This is super important to prevent the salad from turning soggy and watery. Add in the jellyfish. Make sure to dump the water in the bag first. Then add in the seasoning. Now let's make our secret sauce. In a heated pan, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in the garlic and scallion. Medium heat, stir fry for 5 or 4 times. Switch off the heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons of dark rice vinegar, add 1 teaspoon of salt to the salad, then pour the sauce on top. Mix well, my dear fellow foodies. It smells so good. Now open a can of beer or pour a cup of your favorite wine. Enjoy. This salad is so appetizing with the perfect combination of crisp, sour, and savory flavors. Thanks for stopping by my channel where I share easy to follow Chinese recipes. If you enjoy this episode, please click on the like button. If you're new, also subscribe and check out the other exciting recipes on my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you around.